Alright guys, welcome back to another training recap. So, unfortunately, I didn't get to post last week because I was busy with school and no webcam today, right? Because it just disappeared. Don't know where it went. But yeah, I'll try to find it and hopefully we have the webcam back by next week again. So yeah, let's jump right straight into it. So, as per usual, we have a 5-minute block structure show on the 1 minute, right? And this really depends because to be honest, I would have looked at this as the block structure, right? To really make this entire setup happen. And this really not so much. I just marked this out to show that price really break structure to the downside. And this one is just the starting of a setup, right? So at first, when price was dipping, I expected price to actually sweep this liquidity. This was at 34163, right? I expected price to sweep this by continue going down, continue dipping to here. And that's why I mark out this liquidity and it got swept, right? Price retraced and expanded and swept this area. And it gave me a very clean order block, which is this. And price retested over here. And I entered, which is over here. Yeah. So after price tap in, I set my sell limit because my bias was bearish for the day. That's why I'm selling. And it retested over here, nicely tapped me in. Not tap me in, but retested. And after price didn't really give me any drawdown, right? It only didn't break all the block or something. It gave me a clean TP, although there are slight expansions over here. But yeah, price overall hit my TP. Not too much to explain about this trade because it's almost all the same. Quality over quantity, you know. So it's really all the same. And I was targeting over here. Oh, it was over here, over here. Yeah, it was over here. I set it slightly higher. So for this trade, I earn around 2.4% to round down, 2.4%. And yeah, and let me just check on my current trade I'm taking, which is all the way at the front. So that trade I took was last week. And here you go, another wing trade, which I'll go over in the next trading recap. But yeah, overall, very good trade, as you can see. And this one too, yeah, I was targeting this low right here. And price respected that. And if you guys see, it actually consolidated after. So you might say I took a trade during consolidation, right? But I saw a setup over here before the consolidation even happened. And I took it. And it hit TP and I call it a day. And it consolidated after. So it really didn't affect me. And yeah. Since we are going through, since I show you guys the winning trade of today, of this, when I show you guys the news we are having this week. So October 27 to 31. So yesterday, no setup because it was low volatility and no news, right? So price really just consolidated. On Tuesday, not much, no red folder on either GBP or USD as you guys can see. So yeah, but I took a setup because I saw a setup, right? Wednesday, no news also, only orange folder, which don't really affect market. So I'll look for setup there. And Thursday, it really depends, right? It really depends on market volatility, whether it's going to be consolidating the entire day or, yeah, really based on probability on Thursday because we have FOMC and, yeah, no data. So unpredictable, right? And Friday, as per usual, manipulation day. So most likely I'll not be trading. It's either forward testing or back testing. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hopefully I'll have the webcam back by probably next video. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week.